Hey guys, part 3, talking about Nerf Guns. Stop! I'm recording a YouTube video. Mom! I can't do this YouTube video! Here, alright. Put it back. So, I know I showed you this guy in the part 2. I know I showed you this guy in the part 2. But look at this part. If you looked at that, then wait until you see this.
Scanning your metabolic profile is one of the most empowering things you will ever do because it can make what is always seemed impossible possible. It will give you confidence in the everything that tells you about. I really 100% believe that if not for lifetime and the metabolic profile, I would not be here. I would never have been able to do this because I've tried. I was a mess. I figured out that I was eating and I had 3 little babies, then meet a mom, and it all changed. When I was able to use the metabolic profile, I had results right away, and I started being able to do things that I could never do. I teach my kids for hours. You know, before it was like turn on the TV show for them. I am so different. I am an athlete. A mother of 3, and I'm an athlete. It feels amazing. I did it, and here I am. Today we introduce you to
Yeah, so that was part 3, guys. So I think pretty much it. Like, subscribe, put this on your favorites. Comment, let me know if you already subscribed or liked, whatever. Otherwise,